You see, I'm very, very confident that I'll come back again as Assembly of Million constituency. The reason is that for the past 5 years, I have done my 7% performance in my constituency. So I do hope people they know me very well. They know how I perform in my constituency. So obviously they will vote for me. See, number one, overall development in my constituency is my top priority, and number two is that I will follow up all the pending issues pending with the government of India, like the issue of ILP, the issue of border issue, and the inclusion of Khasi and Jatagaru in the schedule, and besides the issue of the Harjan issue also. This issue we will solve one and for all.
Yeah. 256 Yogesh Kumar Das. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. After election, you come to my house. I'm the only one who will help all the people.
Thank you, sir.
No other
Feel
part. No
honored.
other. Every
Mr. Shura, quick bites.
yes.
Not easy, quick bites, huh?
But haga daga ganti ka pair ba boro. Kijaj bin rio. Kijaj nyam ba pair ki ami pat ba. Na do Mr. Banyat habut bar nomor ba kia. Kumbaga let man ki jaka. Man ki jaka ban belong jelang nga request ki ba umdai ba persabe ya ka buat ka bakoror ka jopi si sen sansem takadaw ki so takadaw itnat ba everywhere ngayo report baka baro kita men ki kroro ki bompadap rapu semru kiawan yang lain te kalong ka response kalong very positive but ru nga soban ai kublay ru ya baro kitu ki long kumi ki long pa ki may 8 pa 8 jungi kebala ada prapo sem seneng ru mata kenti kila kemen bah nomor ba Narendra Modi lawan rakyat ka wei ka kaan thmai ba kitu ki bala ada prapo sem seneng ki lai yo ban tap hajaka thia la ni hajaka jaka song yo ki hayeng hay. This is very best, that is the best work of Narendra Modi. Ba uai ba kubor bu ai Narendra Modi Prime Minister jungi kalong baki tu kat bo boleh udang ai ka men sim yeki udang kerku yeki bagi im suk hana partai kini benyo ya rights to vote nomor ba borok kata kisem bun ki ba myo beli cabut nomor mlak ban kit ban ba again rementa kala suk jaga there is a good work after 75 years of a republic kada independence. First Narendra Modi, the honorable Prime Minister of India, he have given the rights to all the senior citizens.
Very confident, of course, in terms of winning these elections. I see a lot of young voters that are coming out, and that's a very good sign, I think, because the voter turnout I expect to be much better than it was earlier before, and I think that will show that at least the need for change is very much there. And I'm very happy to see that a lot more people, especially at this time of the day, have started coming out. I think confidence. We're very much confident. We feel that there's a wave. We feel that the people need a change, and I understand that it's a tough fight, but it's a good fight, and I think this is a celebration of democracy. What is the first agenda? The first agenda is very plain and simple. Yeah, better governance, transparency, development, and more or less the most important thing is, I think, creation of employment programs for the public at large and for the young generation especially. I think these are very important aspects, especially in this constituency. Employment is already very high. So, I mean, forget about statistics and so on and so forth. Even while visiting houses and so on and so forth, we keep on seeing that there's a huge number of unemployment, and I think the youth are disillusioned right now, and there's no effort at all from the government to resolve that or to create some opportunities for the kids. As far as we're concerned, as far as I'm concerned, I'm assuring you that we will, take in good stead, and I think it'll be on a war footing that we'll tackle this unemployment issue in the first go, and that will be the first priority. Okay.
I feel I've always been confident and I still feel confident. My voice is gone though. I've been shouting so much, but I know this is going to happen. That, it will be the mandate of the people for the Congress. With the new faces and the new set of candidates, the young fresh candidates, I'm sure people would be putting their trust in them because they've seen all these 5 years what has been happening, and I'm sure they'll vote the Congress back to power.
Kajingkerman haba nila ya Treshitom te kadon hi kata Kajingkerman mo tangba adien ke kasyong hi hakipat ba te ya kabamantang nila aban ong nila ya Treshitom nila ya bet utau sembay tingin siya pet ken kata ka artery kumno kipat ba kiji kata ka choice ka jongki.
Ini buat hal dia.